Hi everybody, we're talking about our week 4 or playlist 4 uh, for The Outsiders. A couple of things to note this week. It says no school on Friday. I also included Friday on this playlist because of how we've set it up, you guys will not necessarily be here on Friday, but your iReady Day is on Friday, and that's definitely something that you can do at home. That's also, because we kind of go in order on this playlist, something that if you get done with everything, that's what we want you to be working on this week before you do any other may-dos. The first thing that we should talk about would be the goals this week. So the first thing is that you can analyze how characters develop throughout a story, and then also that you show mastery of English grammar and conventions, which means spelling and complete sentences, essentially. Also, this one is just really important because I want you guys to be able to convey. Um, I want you guys to be able to convey what you're thinking clearly and concisely. And they're both like kind of priorities, so they're number one. So this week, our direct instruction days are going to be Monday and Tuesday. So Monday, we're going to actually review our chapters 1 through 6, and we're going to start reading chapter 7. Tuesday, we are going to actually get into groups. Hopefully, we can do that. And you guys are going to be updating your character maps because there's a couple of areas on the character maps that we haven't really gone over a whole bunch, and you do need to include them. One of them being that important quotes said about or by a character need to be in purple, and so we have added one on our character map, but there are several that we should have added. So we're going to do that on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday would be our independent work time. You're going to read chapter 8 by yourself. You have several options. You can do the Edpuzzle that's linked here, which I love the Edpuzzles. You guys know that. So you guys can go ahead and do that. You can listen to the audio. You can pick a partner. Just remember, it has to be a partner that you can actually work with, because if you don't work well with them, then you never get to be their partner again. And then you could also just read it by yourself. You need to also, like every week, we do the journal entry and the comprehension questions. So as you're reading chapter 8, make sure that you're also filling out the comprehension questions. If you get all the way through this, which some of you might, then do your iReady. If you even get done with your iReady task for the week, then do your may-dos for the week. But if you don't get to iReady Monday through Thursday, go home and work on it. I don't care if you do it Thursday evening, or I don't care if you do it as homework throughout the week, so you don't have to do anything on Friday, but this is more of like an out of class time kind of homework thing that you guys can do. So if you guys have any questions about what you guys need to do for this, please let me know.